Hello guys, today I'm gonna unbox this Insignia voice activated speaker. So I bought this one at Best Buy because it was on sale for 19 bucks. So can't go wrong with that. So I bought two of these and let's see what comes in the box. With AC adapter. This is a 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. It's 2.5 amps. So yeah, you can. Okay. Yeah, I'm intending to use this one for nightstand and that's my main purpose of using this. And of course, this one has a voice assistant, so for 20 bucks, yeah, definitely it's a good deal. Okay, I'm gonna plug it in. By the way, this Insignia takes a little bit time to boot up, so, and also this one takes a couple of minutes to set up.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. You can ask me questions and tell me to do things. To get started, download the Google Home app.
Okay, after configuring this one onto my network, by the way, this one supports 2 GHz and 5 GHz network. So that would be nice feature of this. And also this one displays the temperature. So let's do a test. Hey Google, what's the temperature?
In Torrance, it's currently 69.
Yep, so hey Google, tell me about yourself.
I'm your Google Assistant.
Hey Google, what's the weather right now?
Currently in Torrance, it's 69 and sunny. Today, it'll be clear with clouds from time to time, with a forecasted high of 72 and a low of 59.
And that's it. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you like it, and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.